Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to pin a post on Instagram. So watch this video till the end. Instagram users can now pin their favorite posts to the top of their accounts. Just like on other platforms, pinning a post on Instagram means moving the post up to the top of your profile so that it becomes the first thing people see on your feed. It's a great way to get eyes on your favorite photos and reels. You can pin up to 3 posts on Instagram. Here's how you can pin a post on Instagram. Open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap your profile in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap the post you want to pin. Tap the 3-dot menu in the top right corner. Finally, tap Pin into your profile from the options that appear. Go to your feed and you'll find that your post has been pinned. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.